Hello everyone, how are you? Myself Reena. Today I will teach you in cursive writing book how to write capital cursive A and B. Okay, so let's start children. Firstly, I am showing you your cursive writing book. This is your cursive writing book and open your page number 7 in your cursive writing book. This is page number 7 in your cursive writing book. Firstly, we will mention date. Today's date is 8th of July 2020. Then after we will mention SW, I mean to say homework. Okay, firstly you will mention date, then you will mention SW. Okay, now we will start. Trace the letters and copy them. Begin from the starting dots. इट्स मीन फर्स्टली आपको इनको ट्रेस करना है और कॉपी करना है. जो डॉट्स दिए गए हैं उन डॉट्स से ही आपको स्टार्ट करना है. सो लेट स्टार्ट. फर्स्टली वी विल ट्रेस. ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेकेंड लाइन लाइक दिस and come again in straight line and make circle like this. Okay, we will start from second line, go up and come down and we will make circle like this. Okay, again start from second line, go up, come down and make circle like this. Okay, again we will make in next line same like this. We will start from second line, go up, come down and make circle like this. Again we will make start from second line, go up, come down and make circle like this. Okay, again same like this you will make like this. Start from second line, go up, come down and make circle in second line like this. You all know that I will teach you in last class how to write a small cursive A to Z. So if you have no problem, then if you have any problem you can send a message in chat box related to capital cursive and small cursive. Okay, so let's start small cursive. You all know that how to make small cursive. So firstly we will trace this like this. Firstly we will trace like this A. आप सबसे पहले स्मॉल कर्सिव A को ट्रेस करेंगे. नाउ we will make in next line small cursive A like this. We will start from third line and we will make A in two line like this. Okay, we will start from third line and make in two line like this. Okay, now again we will make together capital cursive A and small cursive A. Firstly we will trace all these like this. Don't break your pencil, make cursives. Okay, don't break your pencils, make cursives. आपको अपनी पेंसिल्स को ब्रेक मूव नहीं करना है, कंटिन्यू आपको कर्सिव्स बनाने हैं लाइक दिस. जब भी आप कोई भी कर्सिव बनाएंगे तो आपकी पेंसिल उस कर्सिव को कंप्लीट करने के बाद ही मूव करेगी. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू मेक capital cursive A and small cursive A. Okay, again we will make in next line capital cursive A and small cursive A. Firstly you will put dot like this. Okay, firstly you will put dot then we will make. Okay, like this. I hope you all are understood. First dot from we will make capital cursive A, and second dot we will make small cursive A like this. Okay, complete small cursive A and capital cursive A. Now we will start from B. Okay, firstly we will trace like this. Sorry. Firstly we will trace B, and is capital cursive B will be made in 3 lines like this. Now we will make in next line, and is capital cursive B start from first line like this. We will make B like this and start from first line. Okay, now you can see complete this line. Now we will make a small cursive B. Firstly we will trace like this. सबसे पहले हम इसको ट्रेस करेंगे. After complete the tracing work, we will make in next line small cursive B. We will make small cursive B in 3 line. Okay, we will start from dot. Okay, I hope you all are understood how to make small cursive B. Now we will trace last line. Firstly we will trace. Don't break your pencil making cursive. जब तक आपका एक कर्सिव कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता आप पेंसिल को ब्रेक या मूव नहीं करेंगे, हिलाएंगे नहीं पेंसिल को. You can see we will start capital cursive B from first line, and we will start from small cursive B in third line. After complete the tracing work, you will make in next line same like this. Okay, now we will make in next line same like this. Firstly put the dot. Okay, firstly put the dot, then we will make this dot is for capital cursive and this dot for small cursive B. Okay, now we will start from making. We will start from first line like this and complete B, and we will make line like this, and we will make a small cursive B in third line. Firstly you put dot, then you will मैक. ओके, फर्स्टली आप डॉट मेंशन करेंगे, उसके बाद में आप कर्सिस बनाएंगे बिकॉज इट्स बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. Okay, now you can see complete this page. You will do same like this. Firstly you will mention date, then SW, then you will trace the all line, then you will make in next line same like this. Okay, now we will meet in our next class. Okay, bye bye children, and you send me this page in assignment. Okay.